Small little hatchbacks, a 1-litre 3-cylinder turbocharged engine and lots of fun. That's how you classify these two cars behind me. The Volkswagen Polo, which of course is still going on strong, and the grand i10 Nios Turbo. Now, both these cars are also incidentally the fastest cars you can buy in India under the 10 lakh price point. Which one's going to be quicker? There we go. A small, peppy, light, turbocharged front-wheel drive car is just the perfect recipe for some affordable, simple, smile-inducing fun. While both cars have a 1-litre engine, the Volkswagen's is more powerful with 110 horsepower and 175 Nm of torque. The VW also boasts a 6-speed transmission to the i10's 5-speeder. The Hyundai is marginally down on power with 100 horsepower and 172 Nm, but it is also lighter by nearly 100 kilos. Let's see how the numbers translate on the drag strip. The two cars put down their power quite differently. Thanks to the somewhat sticky clutch, hard launches on the Grand i10 Nios are a bit of a hit or a miss. The Grand i10 does get the better launch in run 1 but can't hold its lead for long. The Polo, that's the friendlier car to launch, feels best when launched at around 2,500 RPM with boost built up and controlled wheel spin. Following this, the Polo effortlessly charges forward, and by the finish line, the VW scores a convincing victory with a rather quick time of 16.404 seconds as compared to the Nios Turbo 17.100 seconds. In run 2, the Polo just takes off at the start, leaving the temperamental Grand i10 Nios playing catch-up all through the quarter mile. The Polo betters its run 1 time, recording 16.367 seconds, and is well clear of the Nios Turbo that registers a 17.169 second time. Looks like the old boy still has a few tricks up its sleeve.